everyone, my name is Srashti. Mostly people says that I know English but I can't speak in English. What is the reason behind it? The reason is very simple, lack of practice. You will have to practice more and more to learn this language. It's a very common language, and by your practice you will be able to express your thoughts in English without facing any kind of circumstances. Hello everyone. So I have three amazing techniques and which I am going to suggest with you. If you follow one of those, you are really going to be amazing English speaker. Okay, without facing any kind of circumstances. So first of all, which is most important, you will not have to spend your more and more time only watching podcast, English podcast, and watching English related videos. So that is not going to work for you. Yeah, you will have to do it. If you, most people says that that is not going to work it, so what to do? Yeah, that is going to work for you, but you will have to give your more, you will not have to give your more and more time to do these kinds of things. You will have to do it instantly. First of all, you will have to watch one video that is going to be only for 5 to 6 minutes, and after that instantly you will have to start practice whatever content and whatever videos you have already seen on that content. Okay, so that is going to be very amazing for you. So first of all, I have a very specific YouTube channel, and by doing that you can easily enhance your English communication skills. Okay, so it's a very common language, and if you want to be command on this language, so you will have to practice. And most people says that how to be develop our English communication skills. Communication skills is very important. First of all, you will have to know the importance of English. Okay, one, if you have no any kind of idea what is the importance of English, so your mind doesn't allow you to learn this language. Your mind will not push you to learn this language. If you want to train your brain that you that this language is going to be very amazing for me, so I will have to very important for me, so I will have to give my 20 and 30 minutes per day to learn this language. So without practice is not going to be perfect for you. You will already seen that practice makes a man perfect. Okay, so you will have to practice more and more as you can do this. And so I'm going to share with you that how that is going to be impressive language for you. Okay, so when I was in 11th standard, so on that time I was a Hindi medium student. There's okay, so I'm not saying that I have not completed my schooling from any kind of convenient school. I complete my schooling from a Hindi medium school. Okay, so I was from Hindi medium student. So on the time when I was in 11th standard, so there was a teacher who came in my class. That was a new teacher. Okay, so he was grammar teacher, and he says that he has been started to speak in English, but on the whole classes there is no one who can easily understand whatever they are saying, whatever he is saying. So they have been started to make fun of these kinds of teacher. So they said he said that okay, who is one that can give the answer of that kind of question. So I was only the one student who can easily understand whatever they are saying. So I have, first of all, I stand up and I give the answer of that kind of question. So he said that yeah, you are brilliant student, you know that how to translate this kind of thinking, and you know very well that how to speak in English. So how is this possible for you? So I says that sir, I practice a lot of time, but in 11th standard I didn't get much time to learn this language, but whenever I get time, so I want to include my time to learn this language. I'm very passionate to learn this language, and when I was in 8th standard, so I have completed my all grammar, but I don't know that how to speak in English and how to think in English. So he said that yeah, you are doing a great work, so you will have to do it right now. Yeah, so I said that, and you trust me guys, that whole class said that oh, how do you know this language, you are very, you can easily explain your thoughts in English, how is this possible for you, you can speak in English. So they said that oh, that is going to be very strange for me. Okay, so trust me guys that if you are a person that is if you are very passionate to learn this language, so follow your passion to learn this language, because that is a very amazing language. That is not going to be feel your burden. Okay, that is not going to be feel you bored. And if you are a person, that is going to be very amazing right now. Yeah, and if you are a student, so you will have to work. If you are if, first of all, you will have to indulge your presentations, and interviews, that is going to be totally in English. Okay, so without English, I think that there's no one who can achieve success. So if you want to be successful person, so you will have to achieve English communication skills. You will have to command over your English communication skills. There are many kinds of people who are spending a lot of time to learn this language. There are many kinds of students who are spending a lot of money to learn this language, but they still cannot learn this language. Okay, without practice. Once time you have been started to lost it, it's a lack of practice. Without practice, there's no one who can achieve this language. Okay, so it's a very simple. Yeah, it's initially you will make mistakes, but after doing that you will find yourself by your mistakes. You will be able to understand which area is going to be weak for you, and you will have to right now to work on that kind of area. Okay, so everyone make mistakes. I'm not saying that I'm not making mistake. I have already made a lot of mistakes. Okay, everyone make mistakes, but without making mistake in their world, there's no one who can easily achieve success. So if you don't make mistakes, so how do you know that I'm a which area our weak, and we will have to work right now here. Okay, and if you are a person that a lot of knowledge about that, but have no any kind of right platform to learn this language, so there are many kinds of platform in YouTube channel. So go and watch videos. Your English communication is going to be very amazing for you, and you can easily express your thoughts in English. Okay, so you will have to work on your weak areas. So first of all, if you want to add your new things, most people says that you will have to increase your English communication skills, so you will have to add some idioms and phrases. That is going to be advanced level English speaker. Yeah, I have added, but sometimes words are not coming in my mind. Mostly people says that that's going to be happen with everyone in this world. There's no one who is never make mistakes. Everyone make mistakes, but how to learn by our mistakes, so that's a big strategy, and you will have to work on that kind of a strategy. Okay, and confident, being a confident speaker, so it's a very huge challenge for everyone. And if you want to be being a confident speaker, so you will have to, first of all, you will have to talk in front of the mirror. It's a great strategy for you. And there are a lot of people without being any kind of person, they spend a lot of time, in front of the mirror, and they are able to learn this language. Thank you so much.